to go to Adam Thompson, criminal defense attorney. I applaud authorities for obviously looking at a very suspicious situation. This was not just grabbing people off the street. This was in the process of a drug and weapons raid that this child popped out and didn't look like anybody else in the room. But I discussed this last night. I also think we're opening sort of a Pandora's box and entering dangerous territory when we start looking at kids and saying, in this multicultural world where there's so many blended families and there's people adopting children from other ethnic and racial backgrounds, it's very dangerous, I think, to start looking at people saying, oh, you don't match. Who's your parent? Oh, are you really their parents? That's dangerous.
That's a very slippery slope to go down, and you don't want law enforcement overstepping their boundaries and starting to harass really legitimate families where children may be of different backgrounds or cultures and look different, and for that very reason, they go and they start asking questions. I think what we have in Greece is a little bit different because you had this couple with upwards of 14 children where 10 they couldn't account for, and of the 10 that were, apparently theirs, they couldn't even give accurate birth dates, birth certificates, claiming that 6 to 8 of them were all born within a 10-month period. That obviously doesn't ring true, and there's something more to that story. The more to the story is they probably did purchase these kids, and who knows for what. But that's the kind of situation law enforcement needs to be getting in and getting those children back to their right parents.
It's mind-blowing, and there's so many possibilities. My heart goes out to every single parent who is missing a child, and I want to thank again Ed Smart, father of one of my heroes, Elizabeth Smart, for joining us tonight and lending his wisdom. Thank you, and I'm so glad that you are doing well, and please send my regards to Elizabeth. She's a wonderful young woman. You did a good job. I paid a visit to hip-hop mogul Russell Simmons' house, and